and gentlemen, namaste. I am Sachina Khanal from ThreeCom Care Center. र आज हजुरको सामु आज हामी उपस्थित भइसकेका छौं to review this beautiful phone, Samsung Galaxy M01S series. Okay, let's get it started. Excited. खोलौँ है त. Got it. Pretty. Okay, let's put this out here first. And first ma khulne bidikai chai it looks something like this. Hey, your phone cha your phone ko cover chai yesto chai khulne bidikai. Okay, so first ma chai we have a paper box. Jasma chai Samsung leheko cha. Let's open this up. Okay, so first we have this warranty card. Warranty card is really important for all of us. I know phone ko warranty the चाहिए I know ra बिग्रियो भने exchange गर्नु पर्ने so. Okay, let's put this aside. Right, so साथ-साथै we also have quick startup guide which is really good. Wow, सबै phone को specs हरु लेखेको रहेछ यसमा चाहिँ. So यदि हजुरहरु के confused हुनुहुन्छ भए चाहिँ of course you can just open this up and know more about your phone. Okay, let's put this aside too. अनि यो त बत्ता भइहाल्यो. Paper box. Okay, now we have the big guy, the phone. Wow. ल यसको बारेमा चाहिँ एकछिनमा कुरा गरौँ होला. पहिला let's finish box मा के छ है. यसको साथसाथै we also have another charging dock छ हामीसँग. अनि Samsung को charging dock र हामीसँग data cable पनि छ. Android data cable छ है. Okay, putting this aside too. र box मा चाहिँ अब it looks like this खाली box. र सानो एउटा pin पनि छ. यो SIM card निकाल्ने pin पनि छ हामीसँग. यो चाहिँ I don't want to take it out. यो देख्न सक्नुहुनेछ हजुर. Okay, so pretty much that is it. हाम्रो box चाहिँ. Now let's go for the big thing. Okay, I will open up this plastic. Okay, pretty one. Oh wow, I really like the look of this phone. Kosto pretty, right? Okay, so it's a beautiful phone, M01S. Ra यसको internal storage भनेको चाहिँ 32GB छ भने त्यसको साथसाथै it also have 3GB RAM, which is really good है. एकदमै fast छ जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई यो phone. 3GB RAM भनेपछि त एकदमै राम्रो हुनुपर्छ पक्कै पनि. And also यसको साथसाथै very important thing भनेको चाहिँ battery भयो हाम्रो. अब battery we go like to various places. कहिले हामी डाँडा काँडामा पुगिरा हुन्छौं, कहिले हामी तराईमा हिमाल पहाड जहाँ पनि पुग्न सक्छौं नि हैन र. So त्यति बेला चाहिँ if you have good battery भने चाहिँ you can really enjoy the moment, like pictures हरु click गर्ने or like कसैलाई emergency calls हरु सबै टिक्यो नि त धेरै टाइम सम्मको लागि हैन त. अनि एकदमै रमाइलो पनि हुन्छ नि त. So battery चाहिँ यसको 4000 mAh रहेको छ, which is pretty good for this phone जस्तो लाग्छ. अनि it's so pretty, like look guys. Battery 4000 रहेको छ. And looking at this, यसको front glass भनेको चाहिँ glass नै यो अगाडिको front part चाहिँ glass नै रहेको छ भने यसको पछाडिको housing चाहिँ this is plastic. Okay, plastic bhai pani this looks so pretty ni haina ra. This looks so pretty, like मेरो हातमा चाहिँ I really like this अब selfie खिच्नलाई or यसरी phone गर्नलाई पनि it looks really standard है. अनि यहाँ हाम्रो क्यामेरा पनि छ. We have dual camera. अनि dual camera पछाडिको चाहिँ 13 megapixel र 2 megapixel को रहेको छ भने selfie camera, which is all of ours favorite. Let's take a selfie. Let's take a quick selfie at the first one. Okay, got it. Okay, यसको quick selfie camera पनि 8 8 मेगापिक्सल को रहेको छ which is really good किनभने आजकल त सेल्फी को जमाना नै छ हामी सबैजना सेल्फी लिने रहनु पर्छ हैन त so 8 megapixel front selfie camera र पछाडिको dual camera 13 megapixel र 2 megapixel को and of course camera मात्र भएन नि हैन मात्र भएन नि we also need flashlight यसको flashlight चाहिँ LED flashlight रहेको छ which you can use for like parties and everywhere you go like राति भए पनि or अँध्यारो रुममा के क्लिक गर्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ this is a really good flashlight जुन चाहिँ LED को छ and of course हाम्रो पार्टी जाने भनेकै राति जाने हो नि हैन र अब राति पार्टी जाँदाखेरि त फोटो त खिच्नै पर्यो फोटो नखिच्ने पनि त्यसलाई नि पार्टी भनिन्छ त I wouldn't call that a party for real. Let's we have a really good camera with यस्तो राम्रो flashlight, so you guys should really get this picture click गरिराख्नको लागि. र त्यसको साथसाथै talking about the interior एकदमै smooth छ. This phone is really smooth. यसरी हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ हजुरहरु. This is pretty good. I like it. अनि यसको चाहिँ भित्रको हाम्रो internal यो अहिलेको चाहिँ Android version चाहिँ 9.0 रहेको छ which is the latest version of course. So talking about the colors मलाई यो color चाहिँ I really like this color कस्तो standard color छ but यसको साथसाथै you also यो gray को साथसाथै you also get another color which is light blue which is also my favorite. You can look at my nail paint. Every color is honey, so I like this phone and I'm pretty sure light blue it looks really fine. And at the end I want to talk about something that is the market price of course. अब phone त किन्न मन लागेर मात्र भएन नि त price पनि थाहा पाउनु पर्यो नि हैन र. So हजुरलाई कति हो जस्तो लाग्छ त? Any guesses? Okay, anyways, the price of this phone is 15,999 Nepali rupees, which is really affordable. Yस्तो राम्रो price ma ysto राम्रो phone. I can't even think about it. So all you have to do is just come here and grab this phone. र हजुरलाई यदि यो phone मन परेको छ भने चाहिँ you can come and grab it from People's Plaza, New Road को People's Plaza हजुरलाई थाहा नै होला. त्यसको back side को 3rd floor मा P401 मा ThreeCom Care को center छ. यहाँ आएर you guys can get this phone. र of course अहिले त हाम्रो दशैं चलिरहेछ नि हैन दशैं भनेकै अब नयाँ लुगा किन्ने नयाँ फोनहरु किन्ने नयाँ ग्याजेट्स किन्ने and सेल्फी लिने रमाइलो गर्ने टाइम त हो नि हैन र त्यही भएर हजुरलाई पनि यो दशैंको मौकामा यस्तो रमाइलो फोटोजहरु खिच्न मन छ रमाइलो राम्रो क्वालिटीको फोन affordable price मा चाहिन्छ भने चाहिँ you guys can come here. त्यही भएर what are you guys waiting for? Just come here and grab this pretty phone. Thank you.